What is MetaTrader for? Market is closed error. Hello, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel. Today we have one beginner lesson about market is closed error. So very often you can see this if you use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So let's give the answer. MetaTrader 4 market close error is an MT4 error that occurs when traders try to trade out of trading hours such as weekends, national public holidays, or at the moment when specific market don't trade. For example, stocks can be exchanged only several hours per day. But if we think a little bit, we know that every single country has its own public holidays table. For example, federal holidays in 2023, you can see several important dates. However, we know that, for example, January 1st is the holiday that celebrate whole world. But other holidays, will our MetaTrader 4 or 5 will work on that holidays? So what we need to know is this. The public holidays are important, but when you trade with MetaTrader 4 and 5 platform, the most important thing is your broker. For example, if your broker headquarters in London or in Cyprus or in Asia, US market is not the only market that brokers offers. So you know in that case that if you have some public holiday on that day, it will not impact, for example, stocks in Russia or Europe or Middle East, etc., etc. What you need to know as a trader is, for every single broker, there is a timetable. Like now you're watching one timetable and you know that you can trade S&P 500 in London time from 2:30 up to 9 p.m., for example. And for indices, for stocks, you have a timetable that you need to follow. And usually, the most important part, because a lot of traders around the globe like to trade US stocks, you need to wait that US market open and only several hours per day you can trade stock. But you need to know timetable. So, for example, this is the timetable, special timetable that will be only the traders only follow during the Christmas, for example. And this timetable will change. For example, will be different for Labor Day, or will be different for some other important holiday, and sometimes it will not be important at all. So you need to monitor your brokerage news. You need to monitor timetable at your broker's website. The important thing is you can just go to the Google and you can type, for example, my broker is HFM broker trading timetable, and you will get the link and you will go to the website and you will get information. Okay, today is a Monday, September 5, it's a Labor Day, and if I trade in anything related to US, I need, for example, to know that it will be early close for that day only. And usually, in my experience, when you have such an important national holiday, for example, it was a few days ago, in Monday, in September 5, it was a Labor Day. On that day, you will have, even sometimes you have a very low volatility or crazy volatility, something between that two. But usually it will be low volatility because less number of traders trade and there's no some huge spike, some small range. Usually, broker can increase the spread, so it's not advisable to trade during the holidays, but if you have some plan or some special trade that you want to create and you know something, you have some triggers, etc., you can trade, of course. But you should avoid trading during the holidays because of the spreads, and the second, you don't know what the new day will bring, so wait for another day when market is normal, and then you can trade, you can see all news, etc., etc. But always check the timetable for big holidays, for big events or anything. Just check on your brokerage website. One important thing, and a lot of new beginner traders and experienced traders trade cryptocurrencies. There is one fact. We know the crypto market works 24 hours per day, 7 days in a week. So you can technically trade cryptocurrency in every single moment. But there is a catch. Some brokers will not allow you to trade cryptos during the weekend. I know that there is some brokers will allow you to trade cryptos during the weekend. There's no without any problem, but you need to check on broker website. If you don't find information, just call support and please tell me, can I trade cryptocurrencies 7 days a week platform or not? When I can, when I cannot, etc., etc. So you need to do yourself. It's not some thing that you need to check on YouTube, on the web, because these things change. I work with a lot of brokers, as you know, and I write a lot of reviews, and I have a YouTube channel, I have a website, I'm a trader, etc., etc. But I know one thing: these things related when market is closed and when market is not closed in the MetaTrader platform, it is correlated with brokers' decision. So very often they will change some timetable, they will move 1 hour, 2 hours, sometimes like this, sometimes not. This is not something that is always the same. So you need to check, you need to monitor if you're a regular trader or if you trade something beside the ordinary currency pair. As you know, when you open MetaTrader and go to File, New, and you want to pick asset that you want to trade, you can pick Forex miners, Forex majors, and a lot of traders trade Forex, as you know. But Forex is not only thing that you can trade. As a contract for difference, you can trade various assets. You can trade UK shares, US shares, you can trade German shares, you can trade gold, commodities, and a lot of things. For shares or commodities, you need to know the timetable, when you can trade, when you cannot, when market will be closed or not. You have a lot of parameters there. First, you need to know, are there public holidays or not? Will my broker allow trading during the public holiday or not? And then you need to know, for example, what is the time for your broker's server, and you need to know, because every single broker has its own time. Is it the GMT or the GMT +1 or GMT +2, or maybe you use US broker and use East time or something else. So you need to check everything and you need to think about this, because this is important either for experienced trader, either for beginner traders. And on the end, I just want to repeat, don't be afraid if you see this message in your MetaTrader platform, market is closed. This is nothing special. It's just show you that you need to wait. The market is open so you can open a trades and trade regularly. And if you trade Forex pairs, do not worry. Usually from the early Monday morning up to 10 o'clock on Friday, usually all brokers will allow you to trade your currency pairs, and you will not be able to trade your currency pairs during the weekend. And I think, except New Year, there is a very, very small number of days during the year where Forex market you cannot trade, because Forex market you can trade all the time, because there is a lot of opportunities. Even the US market is maybe low or not trade a lot. There is always potential in Australia market, New Zealand market, or British market, or European market, etc., etc., etc. So this is a very easy lesson and one short video. I hope that you enjoy, and I wish you a great day, and bye bye.